fear and anxiety in the minds of hundreds of library staff working under the village panchayat and NGO managed libraries across Goa, including in my constituency of Kuchare. These employees have been serving the public with dedication through local library institutions that have remained crucial to promoting reading culture and community leading, especially in rural areas. The existing scheme, the Goa State Village Panchayat / NGO Library Financial Assistance Scheme 2018, which was itself a vision of the earlier financial aid frameworks notified by Government Gazette Extraordinary Number 2, Series 1, Number 46, dated 16 February 2004, has not kept in pace with the inflation and modern manpower standards. Presently, these library employees are not entitled to basic welfare benefits such as EPF, medical, job security, retirement benefits. The current remuneration is less and lacks provision for annual increments, resulting in extreme financial difficulty and lack of motivation in sustaining these vital services. These welfare benefits are long overdue rights of employees who have served the public interest without access to fundamental employment protections. Libraries are grassroots temples of knowledge, and staff manning them must be treated with dignity and justice. In light of this issue, I urge the Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, that is Honorable CM, to clarify what steps are being taken to revise the said scheme comprehensively, safeguard the interests of library employees, and ensure smooth and professional functioning of village and NGO-run libraries across Goa. As library says पण government घेता आणि हे स्कीमी बदल has to be done keeping in terms of those conditions. इतले नाव इन्शुरन्स मागता सीएम कडे.
ठीक आहे सर. खरं म्हणजे आर्ट अँड कल्चरच्या अंडर NGO जे असतात, काल हांवें उलयता आसतना सांगला जवळपास 153 लायब्ररी चलयतात आणि NGOच्या मार्फत आम्ही चलयतात त्यो. आम्ही NGO ग्रँट दिता आणि NGO जे आहा पळय न्ही, लायब्ररीयन आणि लायब्ररी अटेंडंट हे दवरतात, बट तांची सॅलरी इन्क्रीज जावपाक जाय. निलेश म्हणटा ते बरोबर आसा. सॅलरी इन्क्रिमेंट करप हे गरजेचें आसा. आमी स्कीम रिवायज करता आणि तितून तो कंपोनंट घालता.
लायब्ररी सेस घेता आमी. बाकी बाब लायब्ररी तू फाल्यां मातशें